We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
In Hakka areas of Taoyuan County, there used to be low-lying stone water tanks built to take advantage of natural hollows and store rainwater. These gradually fell into disuse with the development of land for other uses than agriculture. Very few remain, but those that do indicate the area settled early on by Hakka people and the effort which was required to open up and cultivate the land as an adaptation of a naturally occurring resource, and one well suited to the environmental needs and the local ecology. The few that are left merit conservation and can teach us about coexistence with nature in a less complicated pre-industrialized era. Hello and welcome to another edition of our Hakka Lesson of the Day. I'm David Wang.
你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
我记得我在学英文的时候，第一课 I remember my first English lesson. The first lesson was, "This is a book."
啊，抓黑鼠我没好讲。
马该东西呀，
就是 This is a book， 抓黑鼠。
要抓黑鼠啊，抓白的不行。
没啦，抓黑鼠就是这是书，就是你讲的。
抓黑鼠 ，OK、So the key phrase is this 是什么
？This 就是这个啊。
这啊，客家话的。抓。哦，台语就是去抓的意思。
啊，还是抓啦。
Okay, this is a book.
抓黑鼠。
That is a key.
该黑 sauce。
该黑 sauce，我还那个牛肉 sauce。
没有。
sauce 是钥匙啊。
对呀、sauce。
Okay, and that is a pen.
该黑笔。
该黑笔 and that's the window.
该黑出门。
该黑出门 Okay, let's review the phrases. 这
抓
This is a book.
抓黑鼠。
这是一本书 This is a book. That is a pen.
该黑笔。
那是一支笔。那是一个窗户。
该黑出門。
该黑出門 That's our lesson of the day. Thank you very much for listening.
什麼大家按字聲？
什麼大家張來了。
講嚟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.